So hi guys, today we'll learn a basic method to find prime numbers, and in the next lecture we'll see better methods to do the same. So starting from the brute force approach, we let's say we want to find out whether a number n is a prime or not. So what will we do? Basically we'll input a number and check from 2 till n minus 1 that if either of the numbers from 2 to n minus 1 divides that particular number. If it does, then obviously the number is not prime, because the definition for number to be a prime number is that it should be divisible by 1 and the number itself. So if any number except that divides that number, it's not a prime number. So hence we have to check this here. But the complexity for this is this loop here is O of n. So it's order of n. So what if we need to better it? We see that the factors of a number, we don't need to check beyond square root of a. So by doing this little optimization, this loop now becomes from O of n to square root of n. So what if we need to find out numbers in a range, suppose from 1 to n? So we need to find out all the prime numbers up to a range, up to a number n. So what will be the time complexity of the brute force method and this method? Obviously this method time complexity will be O of n to the power 1.5, and the brute force method will be O of n square. But can we do better? Yes, we can do better, and that's what we'll see in the next lecture.